I am Satvik Kaya. I recently completed GMC level. I am currently studying in 7th standard.
Ryan International School.
I study in Ryan International School.
Congratulations, Satvik, on completion of your grand module levels. And Jyoti and Kishore, you all can share.
So, just to put it simply, how the journey was. Initially, he was not interested in coming to the class, and he was not interested in homework at all. So, from every completion of every level, he used to ask whether you want to continue or not. Then he reluctantly used to say, "Let me continue." So, those were the beginning days.
Right.
So, from that level, now I see that his concentration level has increased, and he's getting a maths topper in the school. 98, 99, such marks he gets. And he's repeatedly getting a star of the week.
Correct.
So these are the improvements which we have seen in him.
Right.
And of course we have been seeing the messages. Sometimes we used to see the daily messages to him, but most of the messages I used to read, and I used to get motivated personally.
Or those quotes which we said. Okay.
Quotes.
So those are actually for the kids itself, and some of them are for the parents also. So we're going to miss you all. So congratulations once again. And Jyoti, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
एक्चुअली थोड़ा शुरू होने के बाद थोड़ा एक साल या 2 साल बाद थोड़ा उसको बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, वो बैकअप मतलब नहीं करना ऐसे बोलता था। हम प्रेशर भी नहीं रहता, आपको करना तो कर लो और तो नहीं। तो इसने बोला नहीं मैं करूँगा आगे से। तो इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट ज़्यादा हो रहा है, मतलब उसका कंसंट्रेशन या ज़्यादा हो रहा, उसका जल्दी समझ कर रहे हैं। तो इसके बाद इम्प्रूवमेंट है, आप उसके बाद स्टार होते वीक मिल रहा है। तो ये
ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस इन हिम, लाइक यू नो, जो हम लोग मतलब पहले सात्विक वाज लाइक no, not interested, not wanting to do anything, and then you had to push in so much, but now he is like always there for it. He would want to participate in anything, just come forward, like so those are the changes which even we have noticed in him. Good, all the very best to you.
All thanks to you.
Swapna ma'am is there.
एक्चुअली स्वप्ना मैम और आप उनको थोड़ा इंकरेज करते हैं ना, तो उसको थोड़ा ये होता है करने के लिए। और तो ऐसे ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, मैं होमवर्क करो पहले बोलते थे, ये खुद
अब खुद अपने आप से करते हैं। सो दोज आर द चेंजेस। राइट, गुड। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच, एंड congratulations once again, and stay in touch.